The 2026 Porsche Taycan is the electric apex predator we have been waiting for. While the rest of the world is busy arguing about range anxiety, Porsche just silenced the critics by building a machine that feels less like a gadget and more like a weapon. Let's start with the face. You will notice those flatter, sharper headlights featuring the new HD matrix design immediately. They sit flush against a wider, lower hood line that screams classic Porsche DNA while looking straight into the future. Moving to the side profile, the silhouette is unmistakable. The roofline sweeps back in that signature Flyline arc, creating a stance that looks fast even when it is parked dead still. Then, bring it round the back. The continuous light strip now features three-dimensional glass letters floating above a redesigned diffuser that keeps this thing glued to the asphalt. Slide into the driver's seat and it feels less like a car and more like a command center. The first thing that hits you is the massive curved digital instrument cluster that wraps around your field of view. To your right, the 10.9-inch central display handles everything with snapping speed. The fit and finish are bulletproof, mixing sustainable materials with that heavy, expensive German feel. But the interior is only half the story. To put all that power down, Porsche fitted this beast with massive 21-inch forged lightweight wheels. They're designed with special Aero-Blades that slice through the air to maximize range while filling out those wheel wells perfectly. It is a stance that says this car means business. If you dig these daily deep dives into the best new rides, hit that subscribe button right now because you're definitely going to want to hear about the power. Under the metal, there's no combustion engine. Instead, you get a dual electric motor setup paired with the new 105 kilowatt-hour Performance Battery Plus. In the top-tier Turbo GT trim, this system unleashes a mind-bending 1,092 horsepower with launch control. It is instantaneous, violent acceleration that makes 0 to 60 feel like a teleportation device. This isn't just another electric car, it is the absolute benchmark that every other EV is trying to chase. As for the price tag, we expect the 2026 Taycan to start right around $99,400, with the top-spec models climbing way over $230,000. It's a serious investment, but for the best driving electric sedan on Earth, it might just be a bargain. Thanks for watching.